Okay, so some good news today. Inside Google Classroom, and we're going to go in here in a second, but uh, up until now, most of you have heard of Google Hangouts or Google Meet. Um, it is now known as that. The Hangouts term is not going to be around for much longer, at least so they say. At one point, it was just Hangouts and you could do everything there. Now, Google Meet is for the video conferencing, much like Zoom, much like a WebEx, Cisco's tool, and several others out there. They have built their Meet into Google Classroom now, which is exciting news because I don't have to go out now. I no longer have to go out to another site and um, load that up and push that out as a separate link. I can just go into my Google Classroom and there it is. Now, the first time you get into your Google Classroom, you'll probably see what I saw today, an announcement indicating that Google Meet is now integrated with Google Classroom. And once I select that and go in, that's great, but I don't know how to get back in. So just note that over here on the right side, the settings cog, if you want to get back into that and toggle that on or off, that's where you would do that. So I've made this visible to students. And for every class that I set up a Meet link for, that link stays the same, just like when we create a classroom, that link stays the same for that class. Same holds true for the Google Meet. What's nice about that is you can go in there and it's the same address. Kids don't have to go out and find it someplace else, or you send an email inviting them to each one of these. It's just going to be there. So, uh, what is also nice in regards to the upgrade to this is only the teacher can host these. In the past, Hangouts had a problem with the link was there and kids could go back in and rejoin a link even with the teacher not present and still communicate with one another. Uh, in this case, this is only driven by the teacher. So, very nice little surprise today. Hopefully, that is an additional item that you can use for some video conferencing, especially in this time uh, where we're doing a lot of schooling from our own homes.